Hello, beautiful ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are over 50 and looking for a hairstyle that's elegant, youthful, and low maintenance, you are right to love this. Today's video is all about the collarbone length bob, one of the most flattering and trending haircuts for mature women right now. This cut is becoming incredibly popular because it hits the sweet spot, not too short, not too long. It's easy to manage, frames the face beautifully, and works with almost every hair texture, whether your hair is straight, wavy, or thinning. This cut gives volume and structure without much effort. The collarbone bob suit all face shapes. If you have a round face, add side layers for square faces. Soft waves create balance. And if your face is oval or heart shaped, a sleek or slightly textured version works beautifully. You can style it straight and polished, add soft curls for volume, or go natural with texture. Adding curtain bangs or side sweeps fringe gives it a modern, youthful vibe. And the best part, it takes very little time to style, just a round brush, blow dryer, or a flat iron, and you are ready to go. This bob offers a fresh, age-defying look without trying too hard. It's long enough to pull back in a ponytail, yet short enough to stay cool and easy to manage. Style simple and timeless. No wonder women over 50 are loving it. If you are ready for a haircut that's both modern and easy to live with, the collarbone length bob might be your next favorite look. Let me know in the comment which style was your favorite, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fabulous styles and ideas. Thank you so much.